Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to bring you some fantastic news today. In this video, we are diving into the incredible opportunity provided by government, a free cybersecurity course with a certification. Yes, you heard it right. It's a free. So whether you are a beginner looking to enter the world of cybersecurity or seasoned pro aiming to upgrade your skills, this course could be your golden ticket. Let's jump it right in. Before we get into the details, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on important updates like this one. So first thing first, what is exactly is the government cybersecurity course? Well, it is a comprehensive program designed to equip individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to tackle cybersecurity challenges efficiently, whether it's protecting sensitive data or safeguarding critical infrastructure. This course has got you covered. Okay, the best part, this is course one open to everyone. It doesn't matter if you are a student, a working professionals, or someone looking to switch careers. As long as you have interest in cybersecurity, you are eligible to enroll. Now let's take a closer look at what you can expect from this course. The course covers everything from the fundamentals of cybersecurity to advanced topics like ethical hacking and digital forensics. Here was the cybersecurity course, and this website was the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies by Government of India, and under the Future Skills Prime .in hosting provider. And this was the cybersecurity course. And here was the elements of course. Let's first to the home section. Okay, go to the view all, and here was the expectations from cybersecurity in future. Here was the uh, welcome, and then step by step you can progress your report. Start with this, and here was the progress line. You can choose this course and getting started with cybersecurity. This course, your clear your fundamentals and what in cybersecurity is explained in this course, and overview of cybersecurity, application of cybersecurity, types types of cyber attacks like phishing, DDoS attack, phishing, DDoS, and etc. Cyber attacks and safeguarding data. Data encryption algorithm, cybersecurity ethical hacking certified expert, and how to prevent cyber attacks. How to prevent cyber attacks is the main point of all the public in the world. How to protect against cyber attacks. Okay, next up to foundation course. These courses are paid course, and you get the certificate of this course. And next up to we go to the EC counseling. These courses are in a job category, security analysis and design. EC counseling certified ethical hacker was the most popular certificate in our cyber security career. Okay, this course is paid. And second was the certified network defender, and next up to certified cloud security engineer. And you can learn about cloud security and cloud computing. All things you are learn in this website by provided by government. Go to back. Okay, here was the artificial intelligence also available in this big data analysis, internet of things, cloud computing, I said. Then cybersecurity, web development, mobile development, blockchain is available in this. You can information about blockchain, what is blockchain, how it works. These are all explained in these courses. And 3D printing modeling as well available. And you can generative AI, free course content, all the things are available in here. Okay, here website is provided by government of India. Private flux, an amazing opportunity to kickstart your journey in cybersecurity or take exciting skills to the next level, all for free. Don't miss out on this chance provided by government to secure your future. Enroll today and start building a more secure digital world. Thanks. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who might benefit from this fantastic opportunity. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more informative content like this. Until next time, stay safe, and keep learning.